Hello students, welcome in Rayat Online School Education. My name is Mrs. Nimbalkar VS from Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara. Students, today we are going to see our last prose, that is 1.8, Voyaging Towards Excellence, written by Achyut Godbole, the Marathi and English writer. Before starting, we have to see about the writer. Achyut Godbole, born in 1950. He is well known for his writings in Marathi and English. He is a prolific writer in various genres. His writing is informative and very informal writing style he has used in Marathi and English. He became a chemical engineer from IIT Mumbai in 1972. Icebreakers activities are very important while studying the prose. See the first icebreaker activity. There are different ways to travel from one place to another for different purposes. Discuss with your partner and match the words given in table A with their meanings in table B. First one is cruise. For your convenience, I have given the meanings in front of the word. See, cruise means a journey on a boat or ship to a number of places. Second one, expedition. That is a journey especially by a group of people for a specific purpose. Camp. Camp, a place usually away from urban areas where tents are erected for shelter. Then trip. Trip is a brief pleasure outdoor visit. Then excursion, a short journey to a place with a particular purpose. Next one is picnic, a short visit to an outdoor place where people celebrate, enjoy, and eat meals. Voyage, the word occurred in our title of the prose. Voyage means a long journey on ship. Students, see the next activity, which is also important for our lesson. Discuss the following with your partner and complete the way. Here, qualities required for excellence are given. Only two qualities are provided, that is, vision and hard work. Other 5 to 6 qualities we are going to enter. That one is humanity, passion towards your goal, creativity, determination means your decision, then perseverance, that means you have to go through all the hard work regarding your goal. Students, the lesson is very big, so we are going to see it with the help of points. Godbole's childhood. Godbole belongs to middle class family. He did not have basic amenities at home, but he was fortunate to have a culturally rich environment at home. His family hosted many artists, writers, musicians at his home. Their conversations ranged from discussions about literature, music, and paintings. Students, here is one table of the names of poets, writers, musicians, and dramatists, painters who affected the childhood of Achyut Godbole. The poets are Vinda Karandikar, Mangesh Padgaonkar, and Vasant Bapat. Writers are Keshavasut, Mardekar, Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy. Musicians are Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Jasraj, Pandit Kumar Gandharva, and Mozart. Dramatist, that is Shakespeare. Painters, Van Gogh, Michelangelo. These people affected the childhood of Achyut Godbole. Now, interest in science and mathematics. Despite a love for the arts, writer also excelled in science and maths. Scoring more marks was never the motivation behind his interest. Science and mathematics aroused his curiosity. This curiosity gave birth to an attitude of looking beyond the academic value of these subjects. The writer developed an interest for problem solving, which helped him clear his entrance exam. But he was very much poor in speaking English. See the next point, that is pathetic English speaking condition. The writer had been educated in Marathi medium. He felt extremely humiliated and upset regarding English speaking. He was almost broken and wanted to run away to Solapur. He had developed an inferiority complex, means he started to think that other students and professors are speaking fluent English, but I'm not able to speak fluent English. This complex started increasing in him. He felt quite lonely and terrified. But Achyut Godbole was very much willing to learn speaking English fluently. See the next point, that is struggle with English. He started to read English newspaper and books. He also started to speak in English. He studied vocabulary and pronunciation. He practiced speaking of English before mirror. He studied etymology and phonetics regarding English speaking. A lesson in humility. During the third year at the IIT, the writer became a part of a group of intellectuals, including IIT students and visiting professors in American universities. These encounters with some great thinkers and management gurus like Alvin Toffler, Peter Drucker, C.K. Prahalad, and Tom Peters. This exposed to the vast sea of knowledge that he had explored. His time in IIT Mumbai taught him the value of curiosity, humanity, teamwork, and equality. See how the writer is excelling in each and every field. Our next point is the second innings of the writer. Writer Achyut Godbole had a 32-year-long career in information technology. He occupied significant positions in many multinational companies. He then turned to what he calls his first love of reading and writing. His second inning is related with his career as a writer. The author became a writer in Marathi in his second innings. He wrote about 34 books in Marathi, almost of which became bestsellers. He could change the lives of thousands of his readers after they read his autobiography, Musafir, and his book on psychology, that is Manaat. He even helped his readers understand complex concepts with his book on science, that is Kimayagar, and in maths, Ganiti. He has also helped create at least 20 entrepreneurs and so on. He has especially touched the hearts of thousands of his readers in his second inning as a writer. Students, this autobiography taught us many lessons. Moral of the lesson is scoring marks or earning more money should not be the only motivation for one to work hard. Knowledge should be considered important for knowledge's sake, not for money's sake. One should not be deterred by inferiority complexes, but be determined to change them. You should learn this lesson from this autobiography. Thank you.